everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add stocks on investing.com. So to get started, let's open a browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any of the browser. So let's click on it. Now on search bar, let's search for investing.com. It will open investing.com website. Here sign in with your investing.com account and go for my watch list. Here you can see my watch list Tesla that I have already created in my previous video. So here you can see stocks list. If you want to add more stocks, then go for this box, search box. Here you can search for any company in order to add on your watch list. Let me search for Litecoin and just click on it and it will add to your watch list. So in this way you can add stocks on your watch list. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.